She's like a little tulip, delicate yet full of life. She prances around like a grasshopper, but she doesn't let the rain as smooth as the clouds, never missing a beat. She smiles like a sun, brightening your day, and when she is around, it will never rain.
In your cave, my heart find its forever place. In your arm, my world find its home. You are letter, the melody of my heart.
ရွက်ဟောင်းကျွေရင်ရွက်သစ်ထွက်မှာပဲအပင်ကတင်းနေဟန်ပေါ်တော့ရှင်သန်နိုင်တဲ့စွမ်းရည်ရှိရင်တော့ပြန်လဲရှင်သန်အောင်မှာပဲ If only for new leaf we grow even the tree looks dead if it has a power to alive it will be alive again
In shadow deep where pain reside, a flicker of hope will love abide. Love journey for hand in hand, to conquer sorrow, to heal, to understand. Which each tear shed a lesson learned, from every scar a brighter path descend. Embrace the stone that life may send, for through the tempest we will stay man. In the gardens of our dream let's sow seeds of joys and watch them grow. Water by faith, natural by grace, blossoms of happiness in every place. Though pain may knock upon your door, let letters and love be your head call. With tenderness and strength combined, you will find the light and peace of mind. So write about the trial, don't be confined. In your head and soul, happiness you will find. Embrace the day, let your spring soar, for joy away on the other shore.